Hello, what's up, baby girls? It's your girl Pinky. Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. So today I'm gonna be doing Caroline. I think that's how you say it. So yeah, my niece loves that movie. So I have a blue wig. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it. I already did it last year, like a FX makeup looking one. Now I'm gonna be doing a glam look. So this one's not gonna be scary. It's gonna be a pretty one. So if you're interested of the Grace one, go and check it out. I'll put it down the link so you can check out that video. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the products that we'll be using to do this look. We already started with the wig right here. We have the wig. We're gonna be using some eyelashes, face primer. This is what we're gonna be using right here. My foundation right here, concealer, and we got some sponge, and inside here I put the setting powder. And then for my eyelashes, my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using this brown palette, this brown one right here. And for contouring, I'm gonna be using this right here. And for my blush, I'll be using this palette, which is the pink one right there. This pink one is what I'm gonna be using. Alright, so you're interested, you already know what to do. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna be putting some music though. So yeah, I'm only gonna put where YouTube music allows me to play, but I'm gonna be playing some music in the background while I do this look. Alright, let's get started. Bam!
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Alright, baby girls, we're finally done with this look. So here's the wig. I added this shirt right here. There is a shirt that I had, but I can't find it, so I put this one on. It's still yellow, so whatever. It's still cute. So the Caroline, I added me some freckles. I already have freckles, but I just made me more freckles using the eyeshadow. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you back on the next video. Thank you for watching, baby girls. Bye.
Alright, thank you, baby girls, for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.